Most Toyota owners don't realize how many repairs they pay for that were completely avoidable. I'm not talking about engines blowing up or transmissions failing, I'm talking about the little things. Corrosion, seized bolts, squeaks, oxidation, grime. The stuff that quietly turns into $500, then $1,000, then we'll need to keep it overnight. And here's the uncomfortable truth. A lot of those repairs exist because nobody ever showed owners how to prevent them. Toyota builds vehicles to last. Anyone who's turned wrenches on Camrys, Corollas, RAV4s, Tacomas, or Highlanders knows that. But longevity isn't just about oil changes and mileage, it's about stopping small problems before they become permanent damage. That's where WD-40 comes in. Now, before anyone rolls their eyes, no, this isn't some gimmick or backyard nonsense. WD-40 has been in Toyota's service bays for decades. Not as a miracle spray, not as a replacement for proper repairs, but as a preventative tool. Used correctly, it can save Toyota owners thousands over the life of the vehicle. If you own a Toyota and plan to keep it past 150,000 miles, especially 200,000 or more, hit like and subscribe now. And comment below with your Toyota model and current mileage. I read those comments and other owners learn from them too. Let's start with exterior problems that quietly destroy resale value and lead to rust, especially on Toyotas driven in sun, rain, or winter climates. WD-40 hack, removing tar, sap, and embedded grime without ruining Toyota paint. Toyota paint is durable, but it's not bulletproof. Especially on white, silver, and darker colors, road tar, tree sap, and bug residue bake into the clear coat fast. Owners usually make it worse by scrubbing hard or using harsh chemicals. That's how swirl marks happen. That's how clear coat gets damaged. And that's how a $0 issue turns into a $400 paint correction. Here's the smarter way. Spray WD-40 directly onto the tar or sap spot. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't rush it. WD-40 softens petroleum-based grime without attacking the clear coat. Then wipe gently with a microfiber towel. You'll feel it release. No scratching, no scraping, no damage. This works exceptionally well on Toyota bumpers, rocker panels, and behind the wheels, the exact areas where tar accumulates first. Bonus, WD-40 leaves behind a thin protective film that makes future buildup less aggressive. It's not wax, but it buys you time. WD-40 hack, temporary headlight clarity, especially on older Toyotas. Cloudy headlights are one of the fastest ways to make a Toyota look 10 years older than it is, and they're a safety issue at night. Most oxidation is surface-level plastic degradation caused by UV exposure. WD-40 won't permanently restore headlights, but it does something important. It clears oxidation fast and restores light output temporarily. Spray a small amount onto a clean rag. Wipe the headlight evenly. You'll see instant clarity improvement. This is especially useful before inspections, long night drives, or while you're waiting to do a proper restoration. Toyota owners who do this regularly often delay full sanding kits by years. WD-40 hack, paint protection where Toyotas rust first. If you've ever seen a Toyota rust, it almost always starts in the same places. Wheel arches, lower doors, rocker panels, tailgate seams, inside door edges. These areas trap moisture, salt, and grime. Before winter or even once a year, lightly mist WD-40 along those vulnerable edges, especially underneath door seams and behind trim. It displaces water and slows corrosion dramatically. This is one of those boring habits that keeps Toyotas looking clean at 250,000 miles, while others rot at 120,000. It won't stop rust forever, nothing does, but it delays it long enough to matter. WD-40 hack, sticker, dealer decal, and adhesive removal without damage. Toyota owners love peeling off old dealer stickers, inspection decals, and bumper junk. They hate the glue left behind. WD-40 breaks down adhesive without harming paint or glass. Spray it on the residue, wait 1 minute, wipe with a microfiber cloth. This works on tailgates, rear windows, license plate frames, and even windshield stickers. No razor blades. No scratched glass. Under the hood, where WD-40 saves Toyota owners the most money. Now let's talk about what really drains wallets: seized hardware. Toyota fasteners last a long time, but once corrosion sets in, bolts seize. When bolts snap, labor triples. Before removing any bolt that looks crusty, exhaust bolts, suspension hardware, brake bleeders, spray WD-40 and let it soak for at least 5 minutes. Tap lightly with a hammer if needed. This single step has saved more Toyota owners from snapped bolts than any tool ever made. WD-40 hack, preventing rust on tools and Toyota undercarriage parts. WD-40 literally means water displacement. That's its original job. Spray it lightly on tools, jack points, suspension arms, spare tire carriers, and underbody hardware, especially if you drive in salt or humidity. Toyota trucks and SUVs treated this way routinely outlast others with identical mileage. If you've ever paid for a repair that felt unnecessary on your Toyota, comment what happened below. You're likely not alone, and it helps other owners avoid these costly mistakes. And if you feel this has already saved you money, hit subscribe. The next set of WD-40 tricks focuses on electrical systems, locks, hinges, and sensors, the stuff that causes mystery issues dealers love to bill for. Now let's get into the area where Toyota owners unknowingly lose the most money over time: electrical problems and small mechanical annoyances that snowball into expensive diagnostics. This is where WD-40 quietly saves people thousands, not by fixing broken parts, but by preventing failure in the first place. WD-40 hack, silencing Toyota door hinges, hood hinges, and tailgates. If your Toyota creaks when you open the door, hood, or rear hatch, that's not just noise, it's metal wearing itself down. Toyota hinges are strong, but dry metal rubbing over years eventually creates slop, binding, and alignment issues. That's how doors start sagging and hoods stop lining up. Spray a small burst of WD-40 directly into the hinge pivot points. Open and close the door slowly several times to work it in. Wipe off excess. This isn't cosmetic. Quiet hinges last longer, stay aligned, and don't need replacement down the road. Tacoma tailgates and Highlander hatches especially benefit from this. WD-40 hack, freeing stuck spark plugs and preventing thread damage. If you've ever snapped a spark plug or stripped threads, you know that pain runs deep. Toyota aluminum heads are durable, but spark plugs that sit untouched for 100,000 plus miles can seize. That's how a basic tune-up turns into a head repair. Before removing spark plugs, spray WD-40 at the base and let it soak for 10 minutes. Longer if the engine is cold and the plugs are old. Loosen slowly. If resistance builds, tighten slightly, spray again, and back out gently. This trick alone has saved countless Toyota engines from catastrophic thread damage, especially on older Camry, Corolla, and Avalon engines. WD-40 hack, preventing frozen locks in cold weather Toyotas. If you live anywhere that sees freezing temperatures, frozen door locks are a rite of passage and a nightmare. Pouring hot water on locks cracks internal components, forcing keys, bends them. Both lead to lock cylinder replacement. Before winter hits, spray WD-40 into door locks, trunk locks, and tailgate locks. It displaces moisture and leaves a protective barrier that prevents ice formation. This is especially valuable for older Toyotas still using physical keys. One spray in fall can save you from a tow call in January. WD-40 hack, cleaning Toyota battery terminals properly. Battery corrosion is one of the most common causes of no-start conditions in Toyotas that were fine yesterday. That white or green buildup restricts current flow, stresses the alternator, and causes intermittent electrical issues that are hard to diagnose. Spray WD-40 directly onto corroded terminals and cable clamps. Let it sit for a minute. Brush gently with a wire brush or toothbrush. Wipe clean. WD-40 neutralizes moisture and slows future corrosion, meaning fewer hard starts and longer battery life. If you've replaced a battery that mysteriously died, this was probably the real issue. WD-40 hack, protecting ignition components from moisture. Moisture kills ignition systems. Toyota engines are reliable, but moisture creeping into coil boots, plug wires, or distributor caps causes misfires, rough idle, and hesitation, especially in rain or humidity. A light mist of WD-40 around ignition components pushes out moisture and prevents electrical leakage. This is especially helpful on older Toyotas or vehicles parked outdoors. It's also a lifesaver during wet seasons when mystery misfires start appearing. WD-40 hack, stopping window track binding before motors fail. Slow windows don't mean bad motors, most of the time. Toyota window regulators fail prematurely because the tracks dry out, increasing resistance. The motor strains, overheats, and eventually quits. Lower the window fully. Spray a small amount of WD-40 along the rubber window channels. Roll the window up and down a few times to distribute. You'll immediately feel smoother movement. This reduces load on the motor and can add years to its life. A 2-minute fix that prevents a $400 repair. WD-40 hack, protecting electrical connectors from corrosion. Toyota electrical systems are robust until corrosion sneaks in. Sensor connectors, ground points, fuse box terminals, all vulnerable to moisture and salt. When doing basic maintenance, unplug connectors one at a time and spray a very light mist of WD-40 before reconnecting. This prevents oxidation, reduces false sensor codes, and keeps signals clean. It's one of the most overlooked preventative habits among long-term Toyota owners. WD-40 hack, quieting interior squeaks and rattles. Interior noises drive people crazy, and dealerships love billing hours to chase them. Seat rails, latch mechanisms, seatbelt anchors, and interior hinges respond incredibly well to WD-40. A small spray eliminates friction, stops rattles, and restores smooth movement. This is especially useful on high-mileage Toyotas where everything still works, it's just noisy. If your Toyota has ever had an electrical issue that fixed itself, let us know in the comments below what happened. Those are almost always moisture or connection related. And if you're getting value here, hit like and subscribe. Now let's get into interior fixes, safety components, and an emergency WD-40 trick every Toyota owner should know. By now, you can probably see the pattern. WD-40 isn't some miracle fix. It doesn't replace broken parts, and it doesn't turn neglect into maintenance. What it does, especially on Toyotas, is stop small problems from becoming expensive ones. And this final stretch is where long-time Toyota owners quietly save the most money, because these are the areas shops love to bill for diagnostics, labor, and could be this, could be that repairs. WD-40 hack, reviving sticky seatbelt retractors. A seatbelt that won't retract fully isn't just annoying. It's unsafe. On older Toyotas, dust, skin oils, and fine debris slowly contaminate the belt webbing and retractor mechanism. Over time, the belt stops gliding smoothly and hangs loose. Here's what works. Pull the belt all the way out until it locks. Wipe the belt down with a clean cloth to remove surface grime. Then spray a very small amount of WD-40 directly into the retractor housing, not on the belt itself. Guide the belt back in slowly, then pull it out and retract it a few times. You'll feel the difference immediately. The belt snaps back like it should, and you've just avoided a retractor replacement that can cost hundreds. WD-40 hack, restoring stiff or noisy seat tracks. Toyota seats are built tough, but the tracks underneath collect years of dirt, spilled drinks, and road dust. That's why seats start creaking, sticking, or refusing to slide smoothly, especially in trucks and SUVs. Slide the seat all the way back, spray WD-40 lightly along the exposed rails, then slide it forward and repeat. Move the seat back and forth to work it in. This reduces friction, stops noise, and prevents the seat motor from straining itself to death. Another small habit that quietly extends component life. WD-40 hack, quieting steering column clicks and creaks. If your Toyota makes faint clicks or creaks when turning the steering wheel, especially at low speeds, it's often dry joints or contact points, not a failing steering rack. A small targeted spray of WD-40 around the lower steering column joints can eliminate those sounds instantly. This doesn't replace worn parts, but it does stop unnecessary wear caused by dry movement and prevents owners from chasing phantom steering problems. WD-40 hack, removing interior adhesives without damage. Dealer stickers, old parking passes, dash mounts, Velcro pads all leave residue behind. Scraping them damages plastic. Harsh cleaners fade trim. WD-40 breaks down adhesive safely. Spray a small amount onto a cloth, not directly on the surface. Rub gently until the residue lifts, then wipe clean with a dry microfiber. This works on dashboards, door panels, glass, and center consoles without harming Toyota interior materials. WD-40 hack, restoring rubber door and trunk seals. Dry, cracked door seals cause wind noise, water leaks, and rattles, problems that often get misdiagnosed as alignment or body issues. Lightly spray WD-40 onto a cloth and wipe along door seals, trunk seals, and hood seals. It conditions the rubber, restores flexibility, and reduces noise. On older Toyotas, this alone can make the car feel years newer. WD-40 hack. Emergency ignition moisture fix. This one matters more than most people realize. If your Toyota ever stalls or won't start after heavy rain, flooding, or driving through deep water, moisture in ignition components is often the cause. WD-40 literally stands for water displacement. Spray it onto coil packs, spark plug boots, distributor caps and own bottle, and visible ignition wiring. It pushes water out immediately and restores spark. This is not a permanent repair, but it can get you home, prevent a tow, and stop panic when conditions turn bad. Every Toyota owner should keep a small can in the trunk. WD-40 hack. Protecting door latches and lock mechanisms. Sticky door latches are more than an annoyance. They wear out cables, handles, and actuators. Spray WD-40 into door latch mechanisms and lock assemblies once or twice a year. Doors close smoother, locks work cleaner, and internal components last far longer, especially on high-mileage Camry, Corolla, and RAV4 models. WD-40 hack. Preventing sensor connector failures. Toyota engines rely on dozens of sensors, and most failures aren't the sensor itself, but corrosion at the connector. A light WD-40 mist on unplugged connectors during maintenance forces moisture out and prevents oxidation. This single habit prevents false check engine lights, intermittent failures, and unnecessary parts replacement. It's boring, it's unglamorous, and it works. Here's the part shops don't talk about. Most expensive repairs don't start with failure, they start with friction, moisture, corrosion, or neglect. WD-40 doesn't fix broken parts, it prevents the conditions that break them. Toyota owners who keep hinges lubricated, connectors clean, seals conditioned, and moving parts protected don't end up in the shop chasing noises, warnings, and electrical ghosts. They just keep driving. That's why you see Toyotas with 300,000 miles that still feel tight, not because they're magical, but because someone paid attention to the little things. If you own a Toyota and plan to keep it long-term, drop your year, model, and mileage in the comments. I see every comment, and it helps other owners learn what actually works in the real world. And if this saved you from even one unnecessary repair, hit like and subscribe. These are the kinds of tips you don't hear at the dealership, only from people who've watched Toyotas age the right way.